Hi guys, today I'm going to do a video. I don't know that I've ever done like a standalone video of just me cleaning out my fridge, but I thought maybe someone might need some inspiration. It's like a motivation, inspiration type of video. I definitely love these on YouTube because I need them, whether it's cleaning, like a nighttime routine, washing my face. There's just something so comforting, and I just need those videos. They really help me to get going and apply action in my own life. And so I really want to do this one for you guys too, just in case you felt like you needed this inspiration. Something I shamefully do not do that often is clean out my fridge. So I pretty much split this video up into a two-step process for you guys. Step one being to remove and clean. And that step, again, I feel like it should be kind of a weekly thing, and I just don't do it that often in my life. It's really amazing how fridges can get quite dirty when technically I don't really have like open containers and food just like not sitting in a plate or in a Tupperware or something, but I always find food somehow, and I think that's probably just due to teenagers and kids, but I don't know. So I actually started cleaning out my fridge midway through when I realized I wanted to make this into a video for you guys. So I really wish I could have put like the bells and whistles for this and really shown you like how I was cleaning everything, but again, I just kind of decided, I was like, ooh, this would be a really great video for you guys. So I'm just showing you how I'm cleaning it. I'm taking this like almost an all natural purpose cleaner. I don't want to use anything harsh with like bleach or chemicals in a fridge that kind of holds food if at all possible, but again, like I mentioned, I mean, things should be in a container, but still, I wanted to use my most natural, gentle cleaner for this process. And I was just so surprised at how much stuff was expired. It is insane. Maybe it's just me, I just have a bad habit of leaving things in there, but there are things that I also don't use by the season. I got rid of a lot of condiments, mustard, relish, things that I only really use from a barbecue perspective. Barking, sorry about that. But as I was saying, I think this was the last thing I was saying, is that there are some items that are for the season, like my mustard and my relish that I use for barbecue, and those had long since expired because I really only use those ingredients during the summertime. And yeah, so I was definitely able to see everything that had expired and things that I needed to repurchase at the grocery store. And yeah, it just makes it overall safe. You don't want someone to like grab something that's expired. Some kids just don't tend to look at things. But this is the step 2 process, in case I didn't mention that, where I then organize, and everything is going to be different for your style and what works best for you in terms of organization within your fridge. I know there's a lot of people who organize it using like containers and soda containers and like Lazy Susans kind of things, but my fridge is a little bit on the smaller side, so I didn't want to put in too many, like organizational things into it. I have 2 bins, if you saw those, that I got from Dollar Tree. They're clear. I definitely love the clear aspect so that you can see the food, but I only use those basically for like my cold cuts and meats. But other than that, I really didn't want anything else, like a box really in there. But again, it's just for whatever works best for you. This just works best for me. But that's it, you guys. I hope that you found this motivational. If you felt some inspiration, do some cleaning yourself. You can always come back to this video whenever you need it if you're just feeling like you need that little extra push to get things done in your life. That's really why I wanted to make this video for you guys. I, again, just do not clean my fridge enough, and I am just hoping to make this a monthly routine. Let me know, comment down below how often you clean out your fridge. Again, it really depends on families too, and how many people live in a household, and how often, how much traffic is kind of going to that fridge all the time. So a lot of things in play here. It's different for everybody, but this is my process and my way, and I hope that you guys enjoy this video. I'll see you again really soon. Stick around please, and give this video a thumbs up. Bye guys.